Okay, so let's have problem 3.24. So meron tayong dalawang question. Yung EOQ at saka magkano daw yung ordering at holding cost kung hindi susundin yung EOQ. No? So instead ay order daw ng 2,600 units at a time. Okay, so let's have the EOQ first. So meron siyang formula, diba, doon sa discussion, no? 2 times sa annual demand times ordering cost over carrying cost. So, substitute lang natin yan base dun sa given sa problem. So, 2 times 26,000 times ordering cost is $160 all over 1.40. So, 1.40 is 10% ng $14. No? Kasi sabi sa problem, holding cost of one calculator is 10%, is estimated to be 10% of the purchase cost. So, ayan, extract mo lang yung square root, you will have an EOQ of 2,437.80 units. Or, dahil calculator ito, hindi naman pwedeng 0.80 na calculator, so na-round up mo na yan sa 2,438. So, dun sa unang question, ang sagot natin ay letter A. Now, paano mangyayari dun sa ating ordering at holding cost kung 2,600 units ang o-orderin at a time? So, we have to know is ilan ba yung number of orders na mangyayari during the year kung 2,600 units ang o-orderin at a time. No? Kasi kailangan natin yun kasi number of orders times cost per order, yun yung ordering cost. So, let's substitute na lang dito sa formula. So, yung number of orders is 26,000 over 2,600. No? Annual demand divided by order size. So, actually, it's quite obvious yata na 10 times kang o-order during the year. No? Kung 2,600 kada order. So, multiply mo lang yan sa ordering cost mo, no, na $160. So, you will have $1,600 of total ordering cost. Now, for the holding cost or carrying cost, the formula is average inventory times carrying cost per unit. At ang average inventory, as we know, is order size divided by 2. So, i-substitute lang natin yan, no? 2,600 over 2. Times carrying cost per unit as given, $1.40. So, magkakaroon ka ng total carrying cost of 1,820 during the year. So, you combine the two, 1,600 ordering cost plus 1,820 carrying cost. Ang sagot natin ngayon sa question B is 3,420. So, yan po.